All right, friends, I ordered a fun dog wig for my pup because it is almost Halloween season, and I think my nieces and nephews and anyone visiting for trick-or-treating would get just a kick out of my pup wearing one of these wigs. So let's open it up, see what it looks like. I think this is kind of supposed to be like a little mohawk. This is like a dark brown color too. Now he is a brown dog, so I was going for something a little bit more natural with this one. Oh my goodness, this is hilarious. Oh, a little bit of longer hair there. All right. This is too funny. Had a little tag there that I cut off, but take a look. This is hilarious. So it has, let me show you here. It has 2 straps on each side, so it can go on each side of the ear. And then this little button thing to easily tighten and loosen. Let's give her a shot. What's he doing, Ma? What's he it? Want a treat? Can you sit? Good boy. Oh, you want a treat? Good boy. Whoa, wait. Wait. Oh my goodness. Okay. Go treat her. Let me see. Let me see. Oh my goodness. Oh, buddy. Let me see. Let me see. No. Good boy. Oh, good boy. That's such a good boy. Wait. Okay. So here I'm just testing out how well it stays. I'm tossing him some treats. You can see he's jumping. And he has some pretty good force, so it is staying pretty well there. I'm gonna play outside. Let's see. See how well it stays. Chasing his frisbee. Look at how crazy the hair. It's so fun. Hi, buddy. Oh, buddy. Look at crazy hairs. Look at crazy hairs. I love you. It is staying pretty well there. So if you're just using this for like trick-or-treating or just like a fun night, this wig is doing its job. Give me that dog. Give me that. And my dog is pretty powerful. He's pretty strong. So you can see when he takes off running, he, is putting some very fast pressure ahead. So the wig did slide a little bit, but that's okay.